Hello, this is a supplementary video for Chapter 2 in my week 3 project, data validation. So it states both post and put routes for both collections contain, contain data validation and returns a 400 or 500 error if data requirements are not met. So I installed a dependency named Express Validator using npm. I created a folder named validation and a file named validator.js. In the file, I required Express Validator and created some roles for both the student database and the course database. And what this rule does, it validates the first name, last name, email, course, and level. It removes any extra space, ensures that the inputted data is not empty, and if it fails, it sends an error message. First name is required. Same for last name. Same for email. A valid email is required. Same for course and level. And also for the course rules, it removes any extra space, ensures that it is not empty. If it fails, it sends these error messages. Same for course name, instructor, credit, and semester. And I added it to my controller folder, to my create course and my update course. So while creating the course, what this does, it gets the validation rules, checks the condition. If it's if it's not empty, it passes. If it's empty, an error message displays to the user. Return response that set is 400 which means bad request. The client sent invalid data, in which the data is invalid while creating cause. And also, if you're updating cause, it does the same thing. It gets the validation rules. If it fails, it returns an error code of 400, meaning the client sent invalid data. Same thing for students. Also, if you're creating a student and the student imputes an invalid data in the database, returns a 400 error message. And also, if you're updating the student's information and it checks for validation and finds an error message is sent back to the user. Thank you.